1. Why is the color of papaya yellow? A. Lycopene. B. Papain. C. Carotene. D. Caracaxanthin. The answer is D. Caracaxanthin. 2. What is the name of the weak zone of the Earth's crust? A. Seismic. B. Cosmic. C. Formic. D. Anemic. The answer is A. Seismic. 3. Where was India's first national museum opened? A. Delhi. B. Hyderabad. C. Rajasthan. D. Mumbai. The answer is D. Mumbai. 4. In 2019, which popular singer was awarded the Bharat Ratna Award? A. Lata Mangeshkar. B. Asha Bhosle. C. Bhupen Hazarika. D. Manna Dey. The answer is C. Bhupen Hazarika. 5. The world's nation 5G mobile network was launched by which country? A. Japan. B. Asia. C. South Korea. D. Malaysia. The answer is C. South Korea. 6. When was Pravasi Bhartiya Divas held in Varanasi? A. 2017. B. 2015. C. 2019. D. 2020. The answer is C. 2019. 7. Vijay Singh, golf player, is from which country? A. UK. B. USA. C. India. D. Fiji. The answer is D. Fiji. 8. What is the full form of DRDL? A. Differential Research and Documentation Laboratory. B. Department of Research and Development Laboratory. C. Defense Research and Development Laboratory. D. None of the above. The answer is B. Department of Research and Development Laboratory. 9. The green planet in the solar system is A. Mars. B. Uranus. C. Venus. D. Earth. The answer is B. Uranus. 10. The father of Indian missile technology is blank. A. Drive Homi Bhabha. B. Drive Chidambaram. C. Dr. U.R. Rao. D. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The answer is D. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. 11. What is the reason behind the bats flying in the dark? A. They produce high-pitched sounds called ultrasonics. B. The light startles them. C. They have a perfect vision in the dark. D. None of the above. The answer is A. They produce high-pitched sounds called ultrasonics. 12. Which of these is the small-scale industry in India? A. Jute industry. B. Paper industry. C. Textile industry. D. Handloom industry. The answer is D. Handloom industry. 13. Which of these is the plant important in sericulture? A. Cassia. B. Legumes. C. Pea. D. Mulberry. The answer is D. Mulberry. 14. The largest public sector undertaking in the country is A. Railways. B. Airways. C. Roadways. D. Iron and steel plants. The answer is A. Railways. 15. At which place on earth are there days and nights of equal length always? A. Equator. B. Poles. C. Prime meridian. D. Nowhere. The answer is A. Equator.